Oh, hey, nice to see you. You must be here to help me put in this sprinkler head. Great, let's get going. So I'm here in my backyard and I decided to plant a hydrangea plant to feed the local deer, I guess. And I think I need to add sprinkler head. Show you what's going on. So I have a sprinkler head here that waters these 2 bushes. But the hydrangea is going to need one right about here. So I'll tell you what, you get digging, I'll gather some parts. First things first, I cut the old head off. Then we'll install a T. Little heat never hurt. Now we'll connect the new piece of funny pipe. Alright, now let's install this head. Take the adapter and put it in the bottom. That's just where it goes. Next, install the nozzle. Just a little adjustment. It's a thing of beauty. Come on, Mr. Deer. Dinner's ready. See you later.